What's up, guys? William Agnew here at JekyllandHydes, and we got another beautiful car for you right behind me. What you guys see is what we call the Royce Dawn. It's a silver sand in color. It's got a rag top, very high-end, very expensive cars. And you guys know what we do with high-end, expensive cars. Most of the time, what we do is what is known as PPF, paint protection film. Very important. If you're gonna be spending this amount of money, guys, it's very important for you to protect this amount of money. And what we do here at JekyllandHydes is we put on what we call paint protection film. We do it from front to back, so these guys protect their investment. And what we're gonna be showing you guys is a little bit closer, this vehicle, right? Exactly what we did, how we did it, and also why we did it here at JekyllandHydes. This is William Agnew. You guys ready? Let's go. All right, guys, welcome back. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you exactly what we did in terms of the PPF for this particular vehicle, right? This is a very expensive vehicle, so what we did is PPF from front, all the way from the front, from the grill, all the way to the back. And what we wanna do in this video is talk a little bit about why we did and what we did to this vehicle. So the reason why we did it is because vehicles of this price point, of this magnitude, right? We always recommend you guys protect your investment, right? If you're paying $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 for a vehicle, you definitely want to protect it. And this one has been protected. If you were to touch it, right, if you were here, what you would do is you would feel how soft this is and how this actually protects the original paint, right? Very important. Also, if there was damage done to this PPF, you can actually heat it up and it has healing properties that will heal that damage while it protects the original paint. Very important to understand. PPF is very good for that. Now, what we did is we protected this vehicle from front all the way to back. And the reason we did that is because on the front, obviously, this is where you're gonna take most of your damage, your debris when you're driving. The environment is gonna hit right here. So some people actually choose just to do a partial PPF. Now, when you're protecting the entire vehicle, which again, we always recommend for this level of vehicle, then you're gonna protect not only the front, but as you go back, there's damage that can also be done to the side mirrors, right? Also damage that can be done to the side doors. If any of you have vehicles, you know that people do not respect your vehicle and they will open the door and hit your door. And with a car, a $400,000, a $500,000 car, you wanna make sure you protect that. This is where you're gonna have the least impact in the back. But again, a car of this magnitude, we always recommend that they do a full PPF. So with that being said, if you guys are interested in getting PPF, paint protection film, and you have a high-end car, and when I say high-end, $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, right? And you wanna make sure you protect it from the environment, also from other people potentially damaging your car, bring it on down to JekyllandHydes. We will PPF it for you, all right? William Agnew, see you guys in the next one. Peace.